Hello everyone, welcome back to my closet. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I wanted to take you through my outfits that I'm planning to bring to Japan. Now, I'm going to Japan during technically typhoon season. It's not ideal. It's supposed to be raining a lot. It's supposed to be humid. It's supposed to be kind of wet. So with that in mind, I want to dress comfortably. I want to dress nice and light, have a lot more variety in what I'm bringing, but also I don't want to bring too much. So I'm going for 14 days total. It's 16 days, so 2 travel days and then 14 days in Japan total, and I want to be able to mix and match my outfits and bring along stuff that's just comfortable in general. When you go to Japan, you're doing a lot of walking, you're doing a lot of sightseeing, but I still want to look fashionable. So here are the items that I think I'm going to bring. Here is the first outfit that I was thinking of bringing. However, I don't think I'm going to bring this now that I have it on. The top is from Aritzia. It is a contour muscle tank. It's not a bodysuit. I really like it because I don't have to wear a bra with it and it looks really nice and smoothed out. The shorts are from a collab that I did with a brand. I forget this brand's name, but I don't really like the fit of the shorts on me because they just feel a little bit snug around the waistline here. It is an elasticated waist, so the back here is elastic, but I don't know, it's just feeling really tight and I know I would feel uncomfortable with these, so I think I'm going to pass on them. I'm going to bring one pair of sneakers with me and these are them. I'm going to test them out this week to make sure that they are 100% comfortable, but I got these from Vessi. They are the Everyday Move sneaker. I have them in a 7. I'm usually like a 7.5 in like New Balance. So definitely size down if you're in half sizes. It told me to size up originally. So I did order the 8, but the 8 was so massive. Like I thought I ordered a men's shoe. So the 7 fits me perfectly. They do kind of feel snug, but it is like a sock shoe, so it should be fine. These shoes are waterproof. So Vessi is a waterproof shoe brand, and if I am stuck in a torrential downpour, I know I'll be fine because I'll be wearing these. And then the other shoes I'm going to bring are probably going to be my Birkenstocks, but let's change the bottoms to see what I should bring instead. Here are the options I think I'm going to go with. I'm going to grab these instead and bring them. So these shorts are just from Zara and they are loose on me now. So I know that if I have to expand, I have the room to do so. That's why I didn't want to bring those other little trouser shorts. It's just that I didn't have room to expand. These are also a little bit more casual, so they go well with the shoes as well. I think that looks good. Or if I want to wear my Birkenstocks, I definitely could as well. Keeping in theme with the shorts, I definitely have to rewear these because I'm just going to be packing too many clothing if I don't rewear items. But again, the Zara shorts, this top is from Lululemon. It is the Lululemon Soft Stream tank top in the color Nomad. I can wear it high neck or I can switch it and wear it from the back. The back is like a V. I don't know if you can see. It's a V, but it could be a lower V. It's not too low, so I don't think I would feel uncomfortable wearing it in Japan. But the high neck is a nice option because then I know I am covered. But this is the fit, and then, of course, the shoes. I just have to be nice and basic. It's going to be so hot. It is what it is. Third outfit, if I really wanted to, I could definitely wear this tank top over again with those shorts, but I'm going to pair it mainly with this skirt. This skirt is from Aritzia, like the summer collection. I don't remember what it's called. If you've watched my videos, you would have seen it, but this top is a halter top. I think it was like called the Kevin top from Babaton, but it's no longer available. I actually got it in 2019. I wore it to Japan the last time I went, and I'm going to wear it again. I think it just pairs really nicely with the skirt. I can also hike the skirt up a little bit more if I wanted to be a little bit more conservative, but then if I wanted to be a little bit more casual, I could have a smidge of skin showing. Definitely bringing this ribbed t-shirt from TNA. It's just a little cropped rib t-shirt, and it also pairs nicely with the skirt and definitely matches the sneakers, so it'll be good because it'll just go with any kind of bottom as well. So I started packing, and then I decided that I'm going to switch out the skirt that you previously saw with this one. This is like a pleated skirt from Aritzia. I got this eons ago, but it reminds me of Issey Miyake Pleats Please, and it's a lot lighter and thinner, so it'll just fit in my luggage a lot better. Here's a little bit of a sportier look. I was going to bring the black tennis skirt, but then I've been wearing a lot of black bottoms, so I decided to do the white tennis skirt. This skirt is from NYX. It actually does have shorts underneath, so you don't have to be worried. It also does have a period liner, so if you are going to be on your period, which I actually am going to be on my period when I'm in Japan, you could totally just wear this the way it is. I'm going to rewear this item, so I'm planning to wear my period panties with me, but this is the same ribbed soft stream tank top from Lululemon in the bone color. So I do own this in Nomad and Bone, and I plan to wear it together like this, and I have a second outfit because I have the shorts that match this. So I do own the matching soft stream shorts to this tank top. However, they're a 2-inch seam, and I feel like they're just a smidge too short for Japan. I don't know. I know it realistically doesn't matter what you wear there, but just to be a little bit more comfortable, I am wearing these shorts, which I can't remember what they are, but they're from Lululemon. They're in one of my most recent hauls, and they're in the color bone. So I'm going to be bringing these two along with me, and then the bottoms also double again because I'll be able to wear another top with them. This is another top matching with those Lululemon shorts I just showed you guys. This top is one of their like ribbed tops. I can't remember, but it's in the lilac color from Lululemon. This top is also from Lululemon, size 8. I don't know why. I actually own this in a black, and this one's a little bit loose on me. And I don't think it's because I've like change sizes or anything like that. It's just maybe this one fit a little bit baggier, but it's fine. I just tuck it in and it looks fine. At least it's not like skin tight to my body. But what's going to be great about this is I can wear it to the gym while I'm there, and it's also sweat wicking. So if I'm doing any hiking or anything like that, I could wear this outfit and it would be perfection. And again, everything matching the sneakers. The Lululemon Align dress, I have it in a size 10. I definitely recommend sizing up because you want the dress to kind of fit your body a little bit more seamlessly. The 8 feels like too tight on me, so I don't like that. And then of course it matches the sneakers. And then if I want to change up the look, I definitely can by adding just a t-shirt over top of me, or some sort of, I wouldn't wear a sweater, but you could always do like a throw over or something like that. Since I'm already bringing the t-shirt, I figured this is what the t-shirt would look like thrown over if I wanted a different look. Oh, and I do want to mention that these shorts, there's an opening back here, so if I want to go pee-pee, I definitely can without taking the dress off. That's a plus. You guys have seen this outfit before, but I really want to wear this when I go to Tokyo Disney Sea so I can visit the Ariel section. But both these pieces are from Aritzia. I can't remember what this top is called, but these are the effortless shorts. I have them in a size 10. It'll be at the end of my trip, and I have plenty of room right now, so hopefully it'll be comfortable. Again, you guys have seen this outfit before, but I cannot get enough of it. I have the Curio vest on, the effortless shorts matching, and this is perfect because it's a very neutral palette. I'd also wear the vest with the jean shorts if I wanted to. As you can see, everything that I'm bringing is very interchangeable, and if I don't wear this exact fit, I can always wear the vest with jean shorts or something else like that. And then these trouser shorts, I also plan to pair with a Reformation top that I'm going to show you next. Here is the Reformation top. I love it so much. It's in this mushroom color. I think it'll look so chic. I'm going to wear it exactly how it is, where it's off the shoulder on one side like this. And yeah, I just think it'll be nice and easy for me. Maybe it'll be a little clingy, but I think it'll be fine. My last and final outfit is going to be this. It is a baggy t-shirt. It's from the MCR tour. I like this one a lot because it's very soft, and a pair of Atmosphere shorts from Aritzia. I just think that you definitely need to bring some sort of baggy t-shirt just in case. When I'm on my period, when I'm in Japan, I never know, I might need to wear something a little bit baggy. So to be safe, this is one of my comfort outfits. And there we go. That is everything I plan to wear in Japan. I still do need to pack other things like undies, socks, workout gear, and stuff like that, but on a day-to-day basis, I think I'm gonna be wearing those items. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed look out for Japan content because of course it's coming to you. This is just a teaser and the fashion component of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram _HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok @HelloHarley, and I'll see you guys in Japan. Bye.